Okay, we're back. Getting ready to make our mashed potatoes. Our pork loin tenderloin is done. Green beans, the gravy. And now I'm just going to make the mashed potatoes. I want to share something with you guys when making mashed potatoes. People always boil their water first and then drop their potatoes. No, you're supposed to put your potatoes in cold water so that it'll make fluffy mashed potatoes. Do not heat your water up before you drop your potatoes in the water. If you want fluffy, good mashed potatoes. Now you drop your potatoes into the cold water. Bring the water up to a boil. Now the potatoes are done. Add milk, salt, pepper, and butter. Start it off with cold water for your mashed potatoes. This is our pork tenderloin with the green beans, our mashed potatoes, with the chives on top, with good mashed potatoes. Remember guys, do not put your potatoes in boiling hot water. Always start it off with cold water for your mashed potatoes.